welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a wooden 3-tier tray. For those of you who are new, I love my 3-tier tray. I love everything about it and I love decorating it for different holidays and seasons and like so much fun. But I also like making it like for free or Dollar Tree items and stuff like that. I've actually made a few trays, but this one I'm going to be making out of wood slices. So my husband cut these for me. You can purchase if you want to make something similar and you don't have a way to cut things down. He had to go to like our neighbors down the road and ask him if he could cut some of his wood. So it wasn't like the easiest for us, and they had to use a chainsaw and all that like stuff. But I'm like, I really need to make this. This is what I really want to do. So he found as big of a piece as he could. It was still smaller than what I anticipated or what I wanted, but I was still like really happy with it, along with things not being as even and stuff like that. Anyways, you can find items like this at Michael's. I have bought wood slices from there before, and if you have one of their 40 or 50% off coupons off of like your full price purchase, they end up being only a few dollars. We actually bought some of these like for our wedding a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago, like 4 years ago. But I know they still have them. You can purchase them from there, and then it is so inexpensive to make, and they're gonna be so stinking cute. I planned on doing this like super farmhousey. I bought a bunch of stuff after Christmas that I decided to decorate this with. So I had like cute little metal houses and cute little white houses. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be so farmhouse. This is gonna be so, no, it turned into like a rustic forest decor piece. I don't know how I managed to do that, so I'm not sure what to call this. So whatever I decide to do the title as, I think I'm still gonna do like a rustic farmhouse type, because there's all of it kind of in the mixture. Bear with that, because I'm pretty sure I still consider it farmhouse, just depending on the way you decorate it. So I'm gonna get started and show you what I did. And so to get started, I just used 2 of these little candle holders from the Dollar Tree, along with this Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint in aged copper, and 3 of these wood slices. They're like as big as my hand in this clear gloss. I just sealed the wood with a clear gloss, and then I spray painted the candle holders, and I love the way this spray paint turned out. I think this is so gorgeous. And then I just took the candle holders and I used wood glue from Walmart and some hot glue, and then I just started stacking the wood pieces on top. I used a great amount of wood glue because these wood slices were pretty heavy, so I didn't want anything to fall apart. And once I did this, I did wait 24 hours for everything to like settle and seal, just to make sure once I picked everything up, it didn't fall apart everywhere. And this is pretty much it for the 3-tier tray. It's so simple and easy. You can do this with all sorts of items. And then this is just a bunch of stuff I had at home, and then things I got left over from Christmas. And these were all purchased from Amazon, Target, and Hobby Lobby. And then now I'm just going to start decorating. I knew I wanted the houses on the top, and they really didn't fit on the 2nd and 3rd or the bottom tier, because this isn't as tall as what it kind of looks like. So it looks like it could be really tall, but it's not that tall. And then I just wanted some greenery and stuff in, so I had some succulents left over along with this boxwood. I'm probably going to end up taking this boxwood out eventually once I find some, maybe like some ferns or some other types of succulents or something like that. But I know a lot of the stores don't have that yet, since it's still winter time, so I was just bearing with what I had. Just chase the waves, we'll make it up as we go. If you're heavy, I'll show you where to go. Won't you set free? Behind the time for love, we run away to get us up when we're low. Oh, even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down. Alright, that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you hit that like button so I know that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around and see what else I have planned for 2019. But I will see you all in my next video. Bye!